Hey everyone, today I'm sharing with you a quick sketch which I think, it's quick but it's very effective and I hope you will agree with me. So this actually happened as I was filming my latest class, Art Journaling with Watercolors, and I just decided to play a little bit and create this sketch. I'm using one of my absolute favorite pens, and I will link you to everything that I'm using in the information box, that is. And I thought it would be just fun to paint my art supplies. That's always good fun. And, sketching something you like and something you have on hand for reference. So you can see I have my big cup there full of brushes. I use about 3 on a daily basis, but I still feel the need to buy some once in a while and try different shapes and different sizes. I always go back to my round brushes, but yeah. Anyway, I'm just sketching what I'm seeing, and you can see that I'm really trying to pay attention to a variety of line work. So in some places it's thinner and simpler, and then in other places it's darker and kind of more emphasized. That really gives this depth and interest. If it was all the same length, it would be like width or something. If all the lines looked the same, it would be kind of boring. Now, the ink that I have in this pen is water soluble, so that actually makes things rather simple if you want to create like a value sketch or a monochromatic sketch, and you'll see me activating it soon. But for now, I'm just adding a pop of color. And my love hate relationship with watercolor, it's only love, is the fact that I love painting with watercolors, but sometimes I feel like it takes so little to get kind of a wow effect or something, or to get the effect that I want, that I really resent them that they don't allow me for more like playtime. And that's kind of how I felt about this. I really felt the sketch only needed a little bit of pop of color, and that's really all it took to give it, that something extra. Now I'm just using water and activating the ink that I drew with, and you can see I'm only touching in certain places. Again, that adds a lot of interest, and where I did some more heavy pen work, I have more ink to activate, so I will naturally get darker ink, and then where the lines are softer and thinner, I have less ink to work with. So this works out really well, and I don't have to think about it again. I just have to kind of use what I already put down. And again, I'm really trying to show restraint here, which is hard for me, but I think, the contrast here, the detail, I just like the way that it looks pretty instantly. Or what are we? We're like 4 minutes in. This is a little bit fast forwarded. Or is it even real time? I'm not sure. Looks like I'm working kind of slow, so this might be real time. So you can see it took no time at all, which is a little bit annoying, but also encouraging. And I had a lot of fun in the process, adding that bit of shadow that makes a huge difference. And that's it. We're done. Super fun sketch. I hope you'll try something like that. See you in another video soon. Bye.